Bhartruhari Mahtab, a seven-time Member of Parliament, has been sworn in as pro tem Speaker for the 18th Lok Sabha. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to the Bharatiya Janata Party MP from Odisha's Cuttack. The appointment of Mahtab has drawn criticism from the opposition, particularly the Congress, which alleges that the government overlooked the claim of its member Kodikunnil Suresh, who has served 8 terms in the Lok Sabha. Suresh was expected to be appointed pro tem Speaker based on seniority, a convention historically followed in the Lok Sabha. Congress leaders, including Jairam Ramesh and K.C. Venugopal, have accused the BJP-led government of violating parliamentary norms and politicizing the appointment. Here's all you need to know about Bhartruhari Mahtab. Born in 1947, Mahtab is the son of Odisha's first Chief Minister, the late Hare Krishna Mahtab. After completing his schooling in Bhadrak, he pursued a Bachelor of Arts and later a Master's degree in English from Utkal University in 1978. After being a part of the former Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik-led BJD for a few decades, Mahtab left the party ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. He expressed displeasure over the party's functioning in recent years. Subsequently, he joined the BJP, which later announced him as its candidate for the Cuttack seat. In 2024 polls, Mahtab secured a historic 7th consecutive term from the seat, defeating his former party colleague. Mahtab is a 7-term MP from the Cuttack parliamentary constituency in Odisha, making him one of the longest-serving parliamentarians in the 18th Lok Sabha. The 66-year-old has been representing the Cuttack seat in the lower house of parliament since 1998. He was on the panel of chairpersons in the 17th Lok Sabha. The choice of Mahtab to serve as the pro tem speaker comes after the BJP's resounding victory in Odisha, where the party managed to dislodge Patnaik's 24-year regime, while the Saffron Party bagged 78 seats and formed a government in the state. The BJP also registered a win on 20 of the 21 Lok Sabha seats in the state. During his last term, he served as the chairperson of the Standing Committee on Labour, Textiles and Skill Development. He was also appointed as the deputy chairperson of the Committee on Official Language, besides being a member of the Public Accounts Committee. Mahtab also serves as the owner and editor of an Oriya daily that was founded by his father.